In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a free VPN in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great option if you want a faster way to browse with added privacy, or if you want to access websites with a different virtual location right inside your browser. And best of all, you can do it without needing any complicated setup. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens the main Firefox menu. From there, click on Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Firefox Add-Ons section, where you can search for browser extensions and install them directly. Next, click on the Extensions tab so you can browse or search for the VPN extension you want to add. In the search bar, type Free VPN. After that, look for the extension called Free VPN VNNet. Make sure you select the correct one from the list so you install the right extension. Once you find it, click Add to Firefox. Firefox will now show a permission prompt asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add to approve it and let Firefox install the extension. After the extension has been added, you should see a confirmation that it's ready to use. Now go back to your browser and click the extensions puzzle icon in the top right corner. This icon shows all the extensions currently installed in Firefox. From the list, click on VPN to open the free VPN VNNet extension. When the VPN window appears, you may see a short setup or welcome screen. Click Next, then click Skip if you want to move past any optional introduction steps. After that, you should see the main connection screen. Now all you need to do is click Connect. The VPN will begin connecting, and once it's active, your browser traffic will start routing through the VPN service. At this point, your Firefox VPN setup is complete, and you can start browsing with the added privacy and flexibility the extension provides. If you want to turn it off later, just open the extension again and disconnect it whenever you're done. And that's how you set up a free VPN in Mozilla Firefox in a quick and easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.